Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about 30 basic Linux commands. Yes, it is a Linux tutorial and it is very important to learn Linux in these times because of the DevOps, or if you want to go in any company, they are mostly company used Linux. Let's say you are using Azure using AWS. AWS is using Linux in their day-to-day life, so it's very important to learn Linux. So in this tutorial I will talk about basic commands in Linux. So let's take first command. The first command is pwd. So the full form of pwd is present working directory. Okay, so this is present working directory, and in this directory you will learn about print the current working directory. So if you are inside app, then it will print the app, the full path where you are at this point of time. The second command is list or dir. This dir or list command is used for listing files or folders inside the directory. Let's say if you are inside app, and inside app folder have two files, ap1 ap2. So when you use ls or dir, then it gives ap1 and ap2 because it is listing the files and folders inside the directory. The third command is cd. Full form of cd is change directory. So as you know, let's say if you are inside ap1, if you no if you are inside app, if you are here and want to go for ap2, go for inside ap2, then you use cd ap2 command. Okay, the fourth command is make dir. Make dir, as name suggests, making directories. So make dir, like example, make dir app2. This will make a new folder. Same rmdir for removing the directory. Rmdir app2 for removing the directory. Let's say you have directory app2, and if you want to delete this, and make sure that app2 didn't have doesn't have any files inside it. If there are files inside the app2, this rmdir is not will not work. Okay, so make sure that app2 doesn't have any files inside them, then this rmdir command will work. Okay, and the sixth command is rm. So rm is used for removing files. If you want to remove files, use rm and the file name, like rm file name. Then the seventh command is touch file name. This command create a file. The eighth command is cp. cp is used for copy files. Let's say if you have f1 file and f2 file, and you want to copy all data from f1 to f2, then you use cp f1 f2. This will copy all the files and folders from f1 to f2. Yeah, so this is for files. And let's say you want to copy directory, then you use cpr f1 f2 from folder f1 to folder 2, then you use cp-r. And this the ninth command. same move mv. Here source name, source file, then here destination file, and these are for file. If you want to move file, if you want to move folder, then mv r, then you can use mvr. Then 10th, if you want to search a specific file, then use find directory, name of the file. This is your general. Like if you have a app folder and inside app you have file f1, then you use find app name f1. This is your command. Okay, these are our 10 commands. Now go for cat f1. This will bring all the contents. To see all contents inside a file, then you use cat f1. Then nano, if you want to edit something inside the file, then you use nano or vim f1. Then less, file name. So this is also used for, but this is not a commonly used file. This is basically for viewing, but page by page. Like you can view the contents like pagination. The 14th command is head. So head and f1, and this will show the first 10 lines of a file. 15 is tell f2. This will show the last 10 lines. Okay, and if you want to know about system information, then use uname a. So system and kernel information. This will show you system and kernel information. Who am I will show you username. Like in Linux, we have two types of user. The first user is root user, and the second one is general user. General user you can see by $sign, and root user by hashtag sign. Okay, so means this is your Linux server, and inside it we have a root, which is the admin. Like it is a super user. It controls all the users inside that, and the root user have all the administrative powers. They can anything in the Linux, but we make general users, for assigning a different task to a different user. Let's say we have many employees in our company, and we want a specific task to do by every employee. Then we assign users to them. Like user 1 is assigned for creating code, user 2 for deploying codes, user 3 for testing. So these are the different users we can create in Linux servers. So these are two types of users. The first one is user and the root user, and the second one is general user. So we use who am I command for viewing which user is logged in. And then 19th command is uptime. So uptime check systems uptime. Then 20th command is dfh. So it shows disk usage. It shows disk usage of file system. Then 21 dush and then directory name. Okay, here directory name. This will show you display the size of a directory. Okay, so du.sh, like if I have a folder f1, then dush f1, this will show you the size of that folder. Then 22 ps, this will list running processes inside your Linux machine. Then you can use ps aux for detailed running processes. Then top, this will show you real-time system processes. Then kill and then process ID, this will kill the process. This will kill the running process. Then 26 jobs. Then 26 is jobs. List current background jobs. So this will list the background current jobs. Then 27, this is chmod. Then permissions and then file name. Let's say you have f1, f2 and f3 files and you want specific permissions for each and every file. Like for f1 you want that users can see, can read it and write it. Then you can use chmod and we have a specific command for read and write. We have three terms: read, write and execute. For these three we have a specific ch code like 400, 600, 734, like this type of thing. So you can go on Google and search for chmod calculator, and there you can calculate what permissions you want. Then you get the code for that. uh, then there you use for permissions, and then for which file you want that permission, so write the file name. After that same ch on, then honor group and then file name. This is used for changing file ownership. Okay, we have three ownerships like my user, then network user and then others like groups, my own groups, and then others. So we use ch on and honor in group, and by using this command we can change. And then 29th is ping host name like Google, YouTube, Facebook. This will change, this will give you network connectivity. Then the 30th command is if config. This will give you, this will display or configure network interfaces. Fetch content, from a URL. So these are our 30 Linux commands, which is very important. If you want to work in any company, anything, you have to be the expert of Linux. So these are basic commonly used, these are general commands you often used in your day-to-day life. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel if you think I am providing you the right information. Thank you.